Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano parating sa inyo in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. Dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, Gemini, let's see what's coming to you in the next 7 days. To the sea. You have mending. Okay, some of you are moving on from a past situation na talagang naapektuhan ka emotionally. Pwedeng ito ay separation from a person, pwede rin namang mga challenges na pinagdaanan mo or yung mga decision mo sa buhay na na-realize mo na mali pala yung naging decision mo. So you're moving on from that. Some of you naman meron kayong hinihil na childhood trauma, you're healing your inner child. You have soulmates and then peace. Oh, pagkakaroon ng peace of mind, kapayapaan ng isip. So, some of you, kung naghahanap kayo ng romantic partner, at alam nyo sa sarili nyo na kayo ay nakapag-heal na, no? Nakapag-healom na kayo from your past situation, past relationship, there's a possibility na mayroon kayong ma-attract na romantic partner in the next 7 days, or maaring itong person na to, nasa buhay mo na to. Pero, hindi pa masyadong nagpo-progress yung relationship ninyo. But I feel like merong magbabago in terms of yung chemistry ninyo sa isa't isa. Like you will be understanding each other, or pwedeng merong isang ganap sa isa sa inyo or bawat isa sa inyo na magpapalapit sa inyo sa isa't isa. So pwedeng ikaw yung magkakaroon ng challenge and then the person na malapit sa'yo, yun yung magiging suporta mo, tutulong sa'yo. Siya yung mag-guide sa'yo or vice versa. So, some of you, this is about healing, moving on, recovery, and meeting the right person para sa buhay mo. Maaring meron rito. Some of you naman, pwede itong person, kahit na ito ay, kahit anong relationship nito sa'yo, no? Pwedeng family. So, family, pwedeng romantic partner or a friend na nagkaroon kayo ng falling out, nagkaroon kayo ng problema before, nagkatampuhan, tapos ngayon you are now saying sorry to each other, nagkakapatawaran. And doon nagkaroon kayo ng kapayapaan ng isip dahil doon. Let's see what else. Next 7 days, 2 of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, Gemini, kung may mga plano kayo na gawin, ngayon gagawin nyo na. Oo, ito yung pinag-iisipan mo, kung susubukan mo na, kasi naghahanap ka ng lakas ng loob. Ngayon, malakas na yung loob mo. You have gained a lot of confidence. With the Sun and the Strength card, ang lakas ng energy ng Leo dito, so maaring meron kayong Leo placement. And this is also about trusting yourself, no? Meron kang tiwala sa sarili mo, sa susubukan mo na to. Yung iba pwedeng magte-take kayo ng risk. You may be taking a risk sa isang business, trabaho, or pagbabago na gagawin mo sa buhay mo. Lalo na kung merong paglipat, no? Pwedeng lilipat ka ng bahay, lilipat ka ng trabaho, or lilipat ka ng career. You have the King of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. Ang susundin mo rito yung puso mo Susundin mo kung ano yung mga bagay na mahal mo, yung mga gusto mong gawin, things na yung passion mo, what you are passionate about. Queen of Pentacles is also about stability in your finances. If you are in a relationship right now, maaring magkakaroon ng maayos na relasyon kayong dalawa ng person mo. Merong suportahan dito, so you will be supporting each other sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong ginagawa. You have Justice card, so merong Libra energy dito. There's also an energy of an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, tsaka Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Justice card is about making a major decision. So ngayon, mas matalas na yung iyong pananaw sa buhay, or yung matalas na isipan kasi alam mo na kung ano yung makakabuti sa'yo, alam mo rin kung ano yung hindi. Yung iba, maaaring meron kayong aayusin related sa inyong finances. Pwedeng loan na aayusin or yung mga pag-aayos ng cash flow ninyo. You have the Wheel of Fortune. So this is changes in your situation, changes in your life right now. So the energy is shifting for you, Gemini, na kumbaga galing ka sa isang challenging situation, ngayon papunta ka na doon sa katapusan ng challenge na yan, no? And you are now about to recover from that. And doon na magsisimula yung panibagong hamon ng buhay sa'yo, which is yung pagkakaroon mo ng lakas ng loob na harapin yung iyong mga gustong mangyari sa buhay. Kasi minsan, meron tayong gustong mangyari pero hindi natin kayang gawin. 'Di ba? But for some of you, you are going to be very courageous, no? Malakas ang loob, tiwala sa sarili na i-pursue at gawin na yan for you. I also see karma, no? So, kung naniniwala kayo sa karma, if meron kayong mga nagawang magagandang bagay, mabubuting bagay in the past, ngayon you are going to reap the rewards, no? If there is someone naman na merong nagawang pagkakamali sa'yo or kalokohan sa'yo na deliberately sinaktan ka, so you will be receiving the justice na dinideserve mo. 'Di ba? May outcome, finale, results. So you are in the final chapter ng buhay mo. Like when I say final chapter, like ending ng chapter na yon, and ibig sabihin meron ka pang next na chapter na susubukan or sisimulan. Meron din completion. So maaring meron ka natapos na proyekto or natapos na trabaho, kontrata, and now you are going to do things on your own. So maaring iba sa inyo meron kayong sense of independence ngayon na you are following what you really want, na hindi kailangan ng approval ng ibang tao. Meron ditong betrayal sa relationship. So maaring ito yung kumbaga parang pwedeng ito ay marirealize mo or madidiscover mo about someone. And yeah, I think you're going to protect yourself from these energies, no, from this person. So kumbaga natuto ka na from your past. Kung sino man yung nang-betray sa'yo, nanloko sa'yo, sumira ng tiwala mo sa kanya. Ngayon, you know how to take care of yourself. Alam mo kung paano i-block yung mga nega energies or people na toxic sa buhay mo. Yes, you are becoming more powerful and mas malakas ang loob mo na i-overcome lahat ng challenges. Some of you meron ditong travel. This can be a long distance travel para sa inyo. This is also about breaking free. I feel like meron kang iiwanan na sitwasyon or aalis ka sa sitwasyon na yan na pumipigil sa'yo na mag-grow, na pumipigil sa'yo na mag-spread ng wings mo and fly. So, ngayon, you have gained that confidence. Malakas na yung loob mo kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na pinatatag ka na ng panahon. Possibilities. Focus your attention on what could go right. When you learn to imagine the best case scenario, you get to enjoy an experience twice. So, pagkakaroon to ng positibong pananaw sa buhay. Yes. O, diba? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong magte-take ka na ng risk. You're going to take the risk. Take a chance. Every risk is a success when you're committed to learning and growth. Taking a chance. Also have friends. Sabi rito, be as a good friend to yourself as you are to others. So, syempre, yung iba kasi laging iniisip ibang tao muna, no? Ngayon, iisipin mo rin yung sarili mo. Mas uunahin mo yung sarili mo. And it doesn't mean selfish ka na. It only means na gusto mo buo ka, maayos ka, bago ka makatulong sa iba. Kasi mahirap mag-share ng sarili sa iba kung broken ka. Kasi kung magka-problema, lalo kang mabubroken. But for you, I feel like meron kang best friend na parang katuwang mo sa buhay, or someone na naaasahan mo, or someone na tumutulong sa'yo, who is your support, your guide, your confidant. Ayan. This can be a family member or a friend. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.